Let's see what we got here. What we got? What we got? Boy, it feels good to have my magnet back. Hear me? Pulling back stuff again. I've got a couple things down here. Yeah, I don't know what these are. I have no idea. Both pretty cool. I ain't never caught none of them before though. You have to look at it. Look at them. What is that? It kind of looks like a gun barrel, but I know it ain't. Or like a big pistol. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm so glad to be pulling back stuff. Shoot. I was getting so depressed. Shoot. What is that? Big old long bar. Big old long piece of... Golly. May have to go get the other magnet. That is a heck of a piece of pipe, guys. Y'all see this? See if I can get her up and over. Whew. Hang on, it's gonna be a task. Oh, don't fall off, don't fall off. Got it. Whew. Got her, boys. Check that out. That is a piece of pipe. I can't see through my window here on my camera, so bear with me. I'm trying to get... That's a big old... What is that? Oh, I keep thinking gun. Everything's like a gun. What is that? It ain't rebar. You see, Betty? I don't know. It ain't rebar. Some kind of scrap. Oh, it's another one of them legs I got the other day. It's the other one. Exactly like I got. The thing that you said was wood. Yeah. Look, that thing looks nothing like he was looking for. That looks like the exact same piece. Huh? What? No, it's metal. I was trying to tell you that the other day. That's got to be another one. That other one's got to be in my truck somewhere. Huh? Well, how would he get back in there? I think I got something on here. Yeah. What is that? Couple things. There's that old welding rod and a nut. Oh, big old nut. There's something coming up. Just like some scrap. Just a little scrap piece. Nothing much. Something heavy. Lord, don't be rebar. This thing is heavy. Bad heavy. And it is I don't know if I see. I don't know what that is. It's huge though. Is it a chair or something? I know it's huge. I haven't get over this rail. Dark it too. Oh, it's big, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know how I'm gonna get over this rail. What is that? I'm so glad to have my magnet back. Holy crap, is that a stove? Is that what I've been catching with the legs? It looks like something like that. Oh, maybe just a piece of I-beam bridge. Oh, shoot. Got it. That's what it is. Oh, part of the freaking bridge. Oh, but it's heavy. That other magnet would never done that. Yeah, coming off. Yeah. That's what I've been dealing with for 2 weeks. Yeah, it is cool. Y'all, I can't see through my window here on the camera, so I'm having to guess where it's looking. My camera got crushed. It's another thing I gotta fix. But I'm trying. Keep giving y'all video. That's today's finds so far. Oh, Betty's got her couple things down there. What's up, Betty? Say hello. Say hi. I got my magnet back yesterday, so she's back. She finally gets to get hers. She's back in action, Betty. She's using the Brute 1200 pound. And I've got my Quest 1300 pound back after a battle yesterday. And I already can tell the difference. 4 throws and pull back every time. I don't know what that is. The biggest thing I've ever caught. Y'all gotta see this. I know it. Let me fix it. I mean, you probably. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Holy cow. Oh, it is one of them I-beams, ain't it? Is that what that is, one of them I-beams? Oh my gosh, it ain't never gonna break off there either. Oh my gosh. Y'all think it's a big old I-beam. I think. It looked like some kind of a door at first or something. Oh, Lord. Oh. Going inch by inch. I don't know if it's I-beam or not. I can't tell. I can't tell. That's where we need the winch. That's where I need my winch. Y'all see that? It won't come off. Heck, if I wanted it to come off, it wouldn't. I wish it would fall off. Oh, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. I cannot see through my window at all, baby. Hear me? My vision. Yeah, but I'd hate to have just watching my feet.
Oh, hey, look how long it's been down there, though. So much iron.
Barnacles. Oh, we got about 7 more feet, guys.
Why couldn't there be a bag of money on top of that? Like,
Yeah, I hope it's laying on top of a gun at least.
Pirate coins and stuff.
I hope something good comes out of it. Man, I wish it would let it go. No, I don't want to freaking.
Hold this in?
It was stuck losing my magnet.
Can you hold this?
No, it better jerk you over.
No, I mean, while you were sitting it outside of there.
Well, I gotta figure out what I'm doing first. Safely. That thing's too heavy. Catch your feet, you take you right over. Huh? Yeah. And you ain't got enough metal on to catch you. Too bad you ain't got braces.
I'll put some metal on one of those. I'll put all those little big magnets across the top of it.
I don't know what to do. Hear me? I don't know what to do besides try to get it to come off.
Try to knock off.
I know, but I'm worried about my. I don't want to lose my magnet. Hang on, Betty. Yeah, something. I just don't know how I'm gonna knock it off. That's a steel plate. That's when the magnet is working the best. There's the thick steel. Hear me? That's how they rate it. Right. using plates like something like that. Oh Lord, y'all. I don't know if y'all want to watch this or not. I hate boring y'all. To me, it's. I wish. Let me show you what I'm working with here. Can you get the camera off? Time consuming, tedious, yeah. Part of it though. Oh, I can't get the camera off, y'all. Trying. There. Hope it's still recording. Alright, we got this. Big old piece of butt. I don't know, it's about 2 foot wide long. It's right directly under there. Anyway, my problem is, well, y'all can already see, is I don't really need it, but it needs out of the water. But this beam in the way is a little problem. Oh, I'm gonna try to set the camera some way. Hopefully it's getting y'all. If it ain't, I'll just have to edit it out. I'm gonna set it right over here, and we're gonna figure out. I'm gonna try to figure out what to do. I hope y'all can see this. Oh, my camera getting knocked off in the water. What? That should be all right. Oh. Did you bring me something? I thought you brought me something.
Rebar.
Where?
You just set the camera on it.
Shoot. Oh, I wish it would just fall off there. You can come film if you will. If you'll stay focused. Or we're gonna leave it right there. I can leave it right there, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there. Shoot, just trying to get the best shot. What not? Huh? Why? Oh yeah. Shoot. I was gonna quit worrying about the camera. Get this thing off. Worry about saving my magnet. Oh, I don't know what to do. I need something to grab it. Betty, let me see your magnet. Yeah. Duh. I forget I got two.
I'm still working on getting this.
It's tied off, ain't it? Yeah. It's two magnet thing might come in handy. You film it?
Mm-hmm.
You got the camera down there and film it? Yeah. Okay, well, do it now. I'm not filming the air.
Hang on, wait, let me face it.
Oh, there it goes. It works. She's pretty film for a second, baby.
Can't see nothing in it.
Keep that accent here.
I can't see anything.
See what we got, Caden? We got another one of them things. I've caught a couple of these. I don't know what they are. Maybe one of y'all do. Remember these, Betty? I know. We're fitting to go. Got about 2 or 3 more throws. Keep your hands on that reel.
I got one of the hands.
You want to say hi to my boys? Say hi. Say hello. Say Middlefish TV. Say subscribe.
say click like and subscribe. You want to do it? You want to be a magnet fishing.